Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever watched a nature documentary and seen a cute little hamster suddenly turn into a snack time villain chomping down on its own babies? Yeah, it's like, whoa, mom, that's not what they mean by family dinner. But seriously, why do animals eat their own young? It's one of those shocking behaviors that makes you question everything about the wild world. Today, we're diving into the wild science behind filial cannibalism. Let's find out. Okay, imagine you're a fish dad, like a male bass or cichlid, guarding a nest full of eggs. You're not lounging on a couch with a remote, you're out there fighting off predators, skipping meals, and basically running on empty. So, why not snag a quick bite from your own brood? Sounds brutal, but here's the science. It's all about energy recycling. Animals eat their young to reclaim nutrients and calories they've already invested. Studies show that in species like fish and amphibians, parents munch on eggs or babies when resources are scarce, turning that loss into fuel to protect the rest of the litter. For example, a sand goby fish might eat up to 40% of its eggs just to stay strong enough to fan oxygen over the survivors. It's not random cruelty, it's evolution's way of saying, hey, better a few healthy kids than a bunch of starving ones. But wait, there's more. You might be thinking, okay, but is this just fish being weirdos? Nope. It happens across the animal kingdom, and there are some wild variations and misconceptions to clear up. One big myth is that it's always about hunger or madness, like animals going rogue. Actually, it's often a smart strategy. Take lions. When a new male takes over a pride, he might kill the cubs from the old boss. Why? Not because he's a jerk, but to reset the female's biology so they can mate with him sooner. It's like hitting the restart button on reproduction. Harsh, but it ensures his genes get passed on. Or hamsters. In captivity, stressed moms eat their pups if the litter's too big or the cage feels unsafe. It's a response to overcrowding or fear, kinda like how you declutter your room before a big test. Birds do it too. Eagles might peck at weaker chicks to give the strong ones a better shot. And get this, in some spiders, the mom literally offers herself as food after the babies hatch. Talk about ultimate sacrifice. The key? It's not evil, it's adaptive. Without this, populations could explode or crash, messing up ecosystems. Fun fact, even polar bears have been caught eating cubs during food shortages. Mother Nature's not always cuddly, she's efficient. Now, let's crank up the drama with a hypothetical. What if animals never ate their own young? Picture this, utter chaos. Without that built-in population control, litters would balloon. Imagine forests jammed with millions of extra squirrels, all fighting for nuts like a Black Friday sale gone wrong. Weak or sick babies would drag down the group, spreading diseases faster than a viral TikTok. In the oceans, fish nests would overflow, leading to massive die-offs from starvation. And for predators like lions, prides might get stuck in endless cub-rearing mode with no new generations stepping up. Scary stuff. Ecosystems could collapse, biodiversity tanks, and hello, extinction events. But on the flip side, maybe we'd have cuter worlds, like hamster heaven with non-stop fluff balls. Would life evolve differently? Would animals develop other ways to thin the herd, like epic sibling rivalries? It's mind-blowing to think how one weird behavior keeps the balance. To wrap it up, animals eat their young for survival perks, like boosting energy, weeding out the weak, or speeding up new babies, turning a grim act into an evolutionary win. It's not about being monsters, it's about thriving in a tough world. So, what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for more brain-tickling science adventures, and ring the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for hanging out.